Friends, the pandemic led restrictions are gradually easing out. With the gradual ease of restrictions and opening up of the lockdowns, business function has gradually started moving towards normalcy all across the country. Everyone's favorite malls, shops, and eateries have begun bustling with the crowds, and in order to meet the demands of these business centers, productions have to jumpstart in all sectors. Opening up of the production units will facilitate the migrant workforce to rejoin the job movement. This will initiate the process of movement of the workforce all across the globe and business travel. Similarly, travel and holidaying, which was in a slow move, are now started to gear up with the lifting of the restrictions. The travel and the hospitality industry will be the major beneficiary to this situation. The direct impact of this improvement can be seen in the hotel, hospitality and travel sector, as these were the worst hit sectors due to the COVID-19 restrictions worldwide. The indication of improving situation of the hospitality industry can be noticed from the recent range shift in the price movement in the stocks in these sectors. The recent price action as well as increase in delivery volume in stocks like India Hotels, Asian Hotel East, Kamath Hotels, Royal Orchid, Orient Hotel, EIHA Hotels. This indicate that this sector, which was otherwise in a drowsy state due to pandemic lockdown, will now start displaying a positive rally for a considerably longer time period. Similarly, the travel sector is also an area where we can look for entry opportunities, as stocks like Mahindra Holidays, Ease My Trip have already started showing their price action. This will attract stock investors to put their money in these sectors. In today's video, we will discuss about one stock which belongs to the same hospitality sector. The name of the stock is Lemon Tree. The current price is 60.90. If we look at the recent price action, we can see that this is now trading near its resistance zone and trying to go past the high of the COVID downfall of 2020. It is forming a nice cup and handle pattern and in the verge of a breakout. The recent volume is also looking good with strong bull candles. If the breakout sustains, then the target can be calculated as the height of the cup, that is, it may reach near 100 area after a likely consolidation near its immediate resistance zone, which is at 80. The stop loss can be kept near 45 area and can be tracked. For entering into the trade, we need to draw a Fibonacci retracement from its recent low from here till the high. In case the price comes down from the current price, then we need to wait till 55, which is a 38% Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci support, and can be a good area for entry. This area is also a CIP area. What is CIP? It is change in polarity region. Okay, so which means the earlier resistance may act as a support here. See, this area is having two supports. One is Fibonacci 38% retracement and second one is CIP support. So this makes it is a strong support region. Okay, so and it will become a very good entry point. If it goes further down, you can plan enter near 50% Fibonacci support. In case the price goes further up from here, from the current price, then suppose the current price is 60.90 and on Monday it went further up, then redraw this Fibonacci retracement from the same recent low till the new high and look for 38% zone or 50% zone for a good entry point. More effectively, we should always look for entering near the support area. We should look for a support area for entering into any trade. So here also we will also look for a support zone to enter into this trade. So please keep lemon tree in your radar. If you liked this analysis, please hit the like button. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it, as we are posting our analysis which will give you early indication on stocks which are in the verge of a good momentum. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for your valuable time. Bye bye.